Opal Suchata Chuangsri of Thailand was crowned Miss World 2025 on Saturday during the 72nd edition of the international pageant held in Hyderabad, India. Chuangsri emerged victorious from a field of 108 contestants, with Ethiopia's Hesed Derezi Admasu finishing as the first runner-up. She received the crown from last year's title holder Kristina Pigzova. The event was co-hosted by Miss World 2016 Stephanie Del Valle and Indian presenter Sachin Kumar. This marked the second consecutive year that India hosts the prestigious beauty contest. India's representative Nandini Gupta reached the top 20 before exiting the competition. India has a rich history at Miss World with 6 winners to date.
Ethiopia. It is
নগদ পেমেন্টে 500 টাকা পর্যন্ত ক্যাশব্যাক আর লেনদেনে প্রতিদিন ডিপ ফ্রিজ এবং ঘন্টায় ঘন্টায় এসি টিভি সহ দারুণ সব গিফট।